I read a news article a while ago, which I wanted to briefly discuss. It reported on the funeral of a Muslim who openly and persistently committed major sins. Even though there is no doubt that the mercy of Allah, the Exalted, is infinite and can overcome all sins, and giving up hope in the infinite mercy of Allah, the Exalted, is defined as unbelief in chapter 12 Yusuf, verse 87.
Indeed, no one despairs of relief from Allah except the disbelieving people.
Yet, nonetheless, it is extremely important for Muslims to understand a fact. A Muslim has not been guaranteed to leave this world with their faith, meaning, a Muslim is in danger of dying as a non-Muslim. This is the greatest loss. If this happens, it does not take a scholar to conclude where this person will reside in the hereafter. This can occur when a Muslim persists on sins, especially major sins, such as drinking alcohol and failing to offer their obligatory prayers, and reaches their end without sincerely repenting from their sins. This is the reason why Muslims must sincerely repent from all their sins and strive to fulfill all their obligatory duties, as this is a task they can undoubtedly fulfill. Chapter 2 Al-Baqarah, verse 286.
Allah does not charge a soul except with that within its capacity.
They should not be fooled into believing they possess hope in the mercy of Allah, the Exalted. As true hope in the mercy of Allah, the Exalted, is supported by obedience to Allah, the Exalted, through actions. This involves fulfilling His commands, refraining from His prohibitions, and facing destiny with patience according to the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him. Failing to do this and then expecting the mercy and forgiveness of Allah, the Exalted, is not hope in His mercy. It is merely wishful thinking, which has no weight or significance in Islam. This has been clearly warned by the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, in a narration found in Jami' at-Tirmidhi, number 2459. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.